welcome back. Today we are continuing on our series of guide on how to earn fast money using TimeBucks. Before I continue, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider doing that now. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. And also don't forget to turn on the notification for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. For question, comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. With that being said, now let's move on. If you never heard about TimeBucks before, you are missing out. I have a video in which I explain everything about TimeBucks. I will put the video link in the description below. Go and watch that video and then come back to continue this video. I will also put the link in the description. In case you find it useful and you wish to join, click on the link in the description to sign up. The best part of TimeBucks is that you started earning money immediately signing up. You will earn $1 sign up bonus and some other bonuses. Alright, from here now I'll go over to my computer for actual demonstration. Here on my computer screen is the dashboard where you have tabs. You have the dashboard and you have earning and earn tab. As the name implies, this is where you make money. On earn tabs, you will see survey, contents, tags, sign up, TikTok, reveal, overwords, AliExpress, links, sweepstakes, engage, and premium. Basically, what you do here is that you choose a task that you want to perform. For instance, maybe you want to answer a survey. You click on the survey tab, then scroll down and choose any survey that you want to answer. Then click start. Now complete the captcha. I'm not a robot. Click on this box. Select all square with traffic lights. Then click on verify. Here you can start to answer your survey. When you complete the survey, your money will be credited. That is how simple it is to earn money with TimeBucks. This is content tab, where you have other tasks to perform. In this task, you will get paid to click on link from advertiser. You must view the website for specific time in seconds to receive your credit. You can only view one at a time. If you close the tab before the timer ends, the timer will stop and you won't receive your credit. What you do here, just come here, click on view the contents for 5 seconds. When you view these contents for 5 seconds, you will be credited. So now let's convert this. Now this is my earnings now. 2.879, and the money you will earn performing this task is 0.001. So when you click on view, you view the contents for 5 seconds.
Aprender cómo ganar $100 al mes con una página web y $7 nada más. ¿Cómo vamos a hacer esto? Muy fácil. Vamos a entrar aquí. Esta es una página que le voy a dejar en la descripción del video. Es una página captura. Es decir, es una página que esto va a salirle a las personas.
You just fill these contents for 5 seconds. That is it, and your money will be credited. Now let's see. Let's go back and check our balance. And as you can see, I now have 2.880, and you can do other ones. This Slideshow, click on it. Go through at least 7 pages in the Slideshow to be credited. Click on view. Here what you do is to go through the page. This page 1, click next. space 2, wait until timer reach 0, then you click next. You have to go through about 7 pages for it to be credited. You just wait until when the timer gets to 0, you click next and click next. As you can see now, we have been credited. So that is how simple the tasks are. You can do capture tasks. In this tab, you get paid to complete capture. You earn $0.003 for every 15 capture you successfully complete. You can do this unlimited time. You also go through this. To start the task, click on this I am not a robot. It says please click on each image containing a boat. Click on image containing a boat. Click next. You have to check it now. Click submit. Click I am not a robot. Please click each image containing a car. You click on the image containing a car. Click next. Click on the image containing a car. You have to do very careful so that you will not make mistake. Click check. Click submit. The next task is Nightfall news. When you click on it, it says in this task you get paid to complete a slideshow. You will be redirected to a third-party website to complete this task. refID and are displayed on the Nightfall news website. Click on View shows. In this time, you have to scroll down and click on the next button to continue after 10 seconds. Just scroll down, click on the next button to continue after 10 seconds. You have engage hit, you have push click. You click on this. In this task, you will get paid to click on X. However, they will be delivered to you as a browser notification. You get X paying between $0.001 and $0.02 per click. The earnings for this is updated every 24 hours. It's active now. When you click it, activate it, you get paid on every X you click. Another one is search. It says product search. In this tab, you get paid to search for a product that you are interested in buying. You will be redirected to shopping website with search results for products you are interested in buying. You get paid for each search you do, up to a maximum of one search per 30 minutes and a maximum of 3 searches per day. You must only perform genuine searches. That means search for things you are interested in buying, even if you can't afford them or if they are not on your wish list to buy. Click on search. Then continue with the task. The next task is videos. Here you watch videos to get paid. Right now they say total offer available 0, money available to earn. There is no offer for now. When you have offer, you see the video, the list of the video here. Just click the video and watch through the duration of the time that is specified. And after that, you get paid for doing that. That's it for this video. In the next video, we talk about other tabs. Please watch this video and then come back for the next video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For any question, comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. Thank you. Bye for now.